Want to create scroll-stopping content in minutes using AI without hiring a designer or buying Canva Pro? I've got you covered. Watch till the end for unbelievable Canva tricks that no one talks about. Hey, I'm Aria, your go-to for beginner-friendly AI tools that save time and brain power. I'll show you how to use Canva AI's free tools to write, design, and generate visuals like a pro without paying a dime. Stick around till the end. I'm dropping a secret AI tool inside Canva that's completely free and nobody's talking about yet. Let's kick it off with Magic Write, Canva's AI writer. You can use it right now without Pro. Here's how. Click Docs from your Canva homepage. Hit that Magic Write icon. Type your prompts like, write 3 Instagram captions for a morning routine brand. And boom, it spits out ready-to-post captions. This is perfect if you're stuck or just hate writing. The other way you can access this feature is directly from the homepage. Click on Canva AI. And here you have the option to draft a document. Click on it. Type in whatever you need. I'm going to type, write me catchy captions for a beauty TikTok. You can also select the type of response you want. I'm going to pick captions. There we go. Whoa. It gave me a whole document on how to write catchy beauty TikTok captions, along with some examples. I did not see that coming. I'm shook. Next up, Magic Design. Type an idea, and Canva designs the post for you. On the homepage, go to Canva AI. There you can see the Design for Me button. Click on it. I'm then going to type motivational quote for Instagram about productivity. Boom, 4 variations. I'm going to pick this one. We can then edit the color scheme, choose a different image, or change the quote right away. Or you could go to Edit, and it'll take you to a standard Canva editing page. From here, just save it, post it, and done. You're posting like a pro. Text-to-image, AI art generator. Let's get fancy. Canva's text-to-image tool lets you type literally anything and turn it into custom art. Back to Canva AI. This time, we select Create an Image. I'm going to type in a futuristic robot sipping coffee on a beach at sunset. You can choose the style of the image you want. There are so many. I'm going to go with cinematic. We can also pick the aspect ratio. I'm going to stick with 16:9. Generate and watch the magic happen. 4 images. They all look great. You get 5 to 10 free image generations per day. That's plenty for most content creators. Here's another way you can access this feature. Go to Homepage. Create a new design by selecting whichever you need. I'm going to select Social Media and then choose YouTube Thumbnail. Go to Elements tab. Here you have Image Generator. If you see at the bottom, it says each generation for image or graphic uses 1 credit. You've got a total of 50 credits. Now, if you look at the left tools, you can also see Magic Media button here. You can access all the features from here as well. Graphics Beta. So this is absolutely brand new, and I'm honestly excited for this one. For Magic Media, I select Graphics up here. I'm now going to type in a panda wearing a beach hat. Generate. Wow, these are adorable. They are a good resolution too. Honestly, this is a game changer. Magic Media Video. This is the final tool, the VO3 Integrated Video Generator. So the free version gets us 5 lifetime credits. 1 video uses up 1 credit. So here I go. I'm going to type in a robot shopping in a mall and carrying shopping bags. Click Generate and let's wait. Here it is. Honestly, that's pretty good. Puh. It's clear that Canva AI wins at content creation, as it has so many different tools packed into one. It's like a complete toolkit, but for creators and designers. Canva free version itself offers so many options, and it's enough. But if there is one AI tool that you want to invest in, I say go with this one. It is well worth the buck for letting us accomplish so many things in one place. You made it to the end. Here's the bonus I promised. If you look at the left toolbox, you can see an icon that says Apps. Click on that. There we go. you can find hundreds of apps that you can use directly inside Canva. No need to download a zillion different apps. Look at the variety. There is Tenor, Image Editor, 3D effects. The options are endless. If you search AI, you can also find a variety of free AI apps in here. For example, I'm going to show you how to use this one, Expression Changer. I use this often for my photo edits. Let's open it. We then select an image to edit. Give a prompt for the expression we need. I'm going to first give excited. Generate. There we go. See the difference? Now I'm going to give sad. Generate. Bam, I love this. And just like that, you've taken one more step toward creating your dream brand with Canva AI. If that sparked even one idea in your mind, don't let it fade. Hit that like button so you remember to act on it. Subscribe if you're on a mission to build smarter, not harder. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment. I'm building with AI in 2025, and I'll reply personally. See you next time.